On average, you're consuming 77 grams of sugar per day. When we look at the amount of added sugar you're consuming over the course of a year, it's around 25 pounds. And when we take into consideration the added sugar plus the sugar that's naturally occurring in the foods that you're eating in your diet, it's around 60 to 80 pounds of sugar. And you might say to yourself, that's not me. I don't do that. But the truth is, when you take into consideration the teas, the snacks, the desserts, the sugary coffees, all the things that you really don't think about that much, it adds up real quick. And it's not a wonder that most of us are suffering to some degree with metabolic syndrome. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the changes that you would see happen in your body over the course of giving up sugar for 14 days. And this information will save your life. So stick around to the end. Let's dive in. Before we do, I'm Dr. Zyrowski. Thanks for hanging out with me in today's video. If you like this kind of information, this natural health information that keeps you on the razor's edge, then go ahead and join me over in my natural health community called Health Club. I'll put a link in the description below. I share with you the clinical tips that I use every day in my clinic, working one-on-one with patients in order to help them get well and transform their health and do it naturally. I first want to look at the changes that this will have on your skin health, because this is really important. I mean, let's face it, we care about our skin health. It determines whether we look 20 years older or 20 years younger. And if you're not there yet in your life, you will be someday, where you care about your skin health. Here's the thing, is sugar impacts your skin health in a big way, because too much sugar impacts your skin's ability to repair, and specifically repair the collagen. This ends up causing more wrinkles, more sagging skin, and as a result, you just look older. I always tell people, if you want to look like the oldest person in the room, just eat lots of sugar, because we tend to think about skin health in terms of getting fancy lotions and potions, but we forget that the skin is just a reflection of what's happening within our bodies. And this is important. In fact, one of the factors that nobody ever thinks about is how your gut health has an impact on your skin health. So when you give up sugar for just 14 days, you're radically altering your gut's microbiome. That's going to change your skin in a huge way. A lot of people who have reoccurring skin issues have gut issues. And so when you cut out the sugar, you cut out a lot of those pathogens in your gut that you don't want living in there that are causing skin problems for you. And that is a real way to improve your skin health. Now, when you are cutting out sugar for 14 days, it has a huge impact on your cardiovascular health, your heart health, and as a result of that, this is where it may just save your life. When we look at the most common reason that people around the world die prematurely, it's due to cardiovascular disease, heart attack, stroke, that sort of thing. Excessive sugar in your diet is going to be one of the greatest threats to your cardiovascular system. It feeds uncontrolled inflammation, oxidative stress, free radicals, and it's going to impair your metabolic function. And we know that if you have high blood sugar, what comes along with that? Fatty liver. What comes along with that? High cholesterol. What comes along with that? Inflammation that goes to your arteries and then starts tearing your cardiovascular system apart. Cutting sugar decreases inflammation, balances out your cholesterol, and helps you reverse metabolic syndrome, which is important for anyone who's trying to improve your heart health. Now, with sugar, here's the thing about it, is it's an addiction. Let's face it, this is an addiction. Nobody wants to use the word addiction when they say sugar because it almost seems too extreme, but it really is, and most of us suffer with this type of addiction. So for me personally, I notice that if I let a little sugar in, it adds to a little more, which adds to a little more, which ultimately adds to more cravings for, guess what, more sugar. And every time you take some of that sugar into the system, ultimately what happens is your body is looking for that dopamine response again. It's that feel-good stimulant to the brain. And we have to continue upping and upping the dose in order to get that same stimulant to the brain, so we keep naturally upping the dose. And then as a result of that, we end up very sick and unhealthy. So here's the thing. This is another reason we want to consider this an addiction. Take it seriously. Is you're actually going to have to go through a withdrawal phase when you come off of it. A withdrawal phase typically lasts 1 to 3 days, but you're going to notice headaches, irritability, fatigue, a lot of cravings, and then even a lot of brain fog, okay? But the good news is after the 1 to 3 days, what happens is your blood sugar stabilizes, the dopamine in your brain starts to stabilize, and the cravings just go away, okay? That metabolic adjustment now has taken place, and the cravings are decreasing, the energy comes back, you have lesser amounts of afternoon crashes, your brain feels better, you're having less bloating, everything is going into a more positive direction by the end of week 1 when you give up sugar for 14 days. Now, another thing that you're going to notice when you give up sugar for this 14 days is that your energy is going to stabilize. We briefly touched on this, but one of the things that you have to consider is that sugar is a very dirty energy for the body. It's very short-lived. It has a lot of fluctuations. It causes a lot of highs and lows. This is why a lot of times, you have these crashes in the middle of the day and your brain fog hits, or even you're having crashes in the middle of the night and that's causing you to wake up in the middle of the night. It's a dirty energy source, right? We want to think of sugar's like the coal fuel for your body, right? Where we want clean energy for your body. This energy that is going to be better is going to be in the form of fats, right? Like that's why when we follow a diet that is free of sugar, we start burning ketones, we start burning the fat on our body for energy, and it's a better quality, sustainable energy that just keeps us going. Now, when we look at our kidney health, this is important because sugar destroys our kidneys. And this is why type 2 diabetics, one of the first places that their body is all typically failing at is going to be in the way of kidney health. And this is because you're going to damage the blood vessels in the kidney that actually are filtering the waste from the blood. And so then with that kidney damage, you're getting high blood pressure. You see the chain of events that's happening just because of too much sugar. So you're going to improve your kidney health in just a short period of time. You're also going to find that you start to lose weight. And who doesn't want that, right? What happens first is you start to lose a lot of water weight. Okay, so when you go sugar-free, you're going to get this huge weight loss effect. You're going to start losing a ton of water weight. You're going to look better. You're going to feel better. You're going to lose inches. You're going to be really happy with that. Okay. Now, as you continue on with this, which it's easier to do after the initial week because now you're not having the cravings or anything for sugar, you're going to find that the fat on your body is able to be broken down and utilized for energy because the fat storage hormone insulin now has been suppressed because you're not eating all that sugar. And then you're going to also eat fewer calories. And then when you eat fewer calories, that naturally causes a calorie deficit, which helps you lose weight, right? So when the cravings are gone, when the sugar is done messing up your physiology, you start to feel so much better. And by the way, you know what? When we talk about going sugar-free, we're always talking about making lateral moves, right? We don't want to just go straight sugar-free and suffer through it. I mean, you can. It's an option. A lot of people don't like it very much. So I always talk about making lateral moves to kind of ease the blow here, ease the pain of going sugar-free. How do we do that? Well, we start adding in different sweeteners. Sweeteners that don't raise our blood sugar, but they taste sweet to the tongue. That would be things that are natural, though, in the way of monk fruit, allulose, stevia, and you can find most foods and beverages or even candies, for instance, that you really like sweetened with these types of alternative sweeteners versus sugar, okay? So you may find a drink that has monk fruit in it that it's sweetened with that has literally no sugar in it versus a can of soda that has 35 grams of sugar in it. You can go find chocolate that's sweetened with stevia versus eating a whole bunch of chocolate that's loaded with sugar. So if we make these lateral shifts and we just start reading the labels and making healthier choices, it becomes pretty easy to do. Now, another big benefit you're going to get by giving up sugar for just 14 days is you're going to start lowering inflammation in the body. And you'll see this almost immediately. Refined sugar is going to drive inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. What does this mean for you? This means that you wake up and you're stiff all the time. Your joints hurt. Your joints are stiff. Your muscles are stiff. Everything is stiff in the body. Lower inflammation, most of that starts to go away. But also long-term, because I would really suggest sticking to a sugar-free diet after you give it up for 14 days. Long-term, you're reducing your risk of cancer and very serious diseases when you suppress inflammation by cutting out sugar from your diet. You're also going to find that your brain works better. Your brain is able to have better memory, better retention. You're going to find that you have more stable brain energy because when you have stable blood glucose, you're going to find that your brain just works so much better. And once again, those ketones, as you start burning fat for energy because you gave up sugar, you're going to find that those ketones are a much better source of fuel for your brain. Your brain feels so much better on ketones. And if you've never tried it, give it a whirl because you feel like you have a superpower all of a sudden. You're going to find that your sleep quality is improved. Many people have sleep disturbances at night because they have blood sugar crashes at night. So when you don't have blood sugar fluctuations like this, you're not getting up to go to the bathroom all the time. You're not going to find yourself waking up because your blood sugar crashed and your body's saying, hey, we need to go get food. I know it's 3 a.m., but I'm hungry. So we don't want that to happen. And if we cut out sugar, it will stop happening. Another big benefit is that you're going to reset your taste buds. You know, I remember the very first time that I ever went sugar-free, the craziest thing that I found is a deep appreciation for flavor. Because what I realized is since I was a child until I went sugar-free in my early 20s, I had only craved one flavor, and that was sweet. And then once I pulled all the sugar out of my diet, I actually started to really crave savory foods in different herbs, in different flavors. And it was a much deeper appreciation for food than always just looking for the next sweet thing that you can shove in your mouth. So you're going to reset your taste buds and you're going to get a far better and larger appreciation for whole foods, for quality foods, savory foods that actually have good flavor in them. So going sugar-free for 14 days changes your entire system. And as I mentioned, it will save your life. So I recommend going sugar-free. I'm Dr. Zyrowski, and if you want to learn more ways to improve your health, watch this video right here.